Hello guys, we have a question here on number base. It's an equation. It says if this in base 2 is equals to this in base 2, find y. Yes, the equation is given in base 2, both the left hand side and the right hand side. So we are just going to solve it in base 2. We don't need to convert to base 10 because they are all in the same base. Just the way we will solve our normal question, we cross multiply. So y base 2 multiplies 10010 base 2, y times 10010. We've taken out the base 2 because everything is in base 2, so we'll just be mindful of the fact that whatever operation we are carrying out, we should be doing it in base 2. While this multiplies this, so it's just by cross multiplication. 11 base 2 multiplies y plus 101, y plus 101. So having cross multiplied, we'll solve this further. We're going to open up this bracket. So this times y gives us 10010y equals to 11 times y gives us 11y plus 11 times 101 gives us, okay, that's what we have here, 11 times 101. Remember, we are working in base 2, so we are going to do this 11 times 101 in base 2. This multiplication, let's do it separately in base 2. That's what we have here, 101 times 11 in base 2. 1 multiplies 101 should give us 101. 1 multiplies 101 should give us 101. And then we add 1 plus, there's nothing here, that gives us 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 1. So this is 111 in base 2. 1111 in base 2. So the product of this and this gives us 1111 in base 2. So we are going to put this here and solve the equation further. Remember, this 11y can cross over to become minus 11y here. So we have 10010y minus 11y equals this times this, which we have calculated as 1111. So this equation reduces to this. We are just going to do the subtraction. 10010y minus 11y. What will it give to us? Remember, we are working in base 2, so we are just going to do this subtraction here. 10010 minus 11 in base 2. So let's subtract. 0 minus 1 cannot. We borrow 1 from here to this point. The one we borrow is 2. Borrowed is 2 because we are working in base 2. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. We borrowed 1 from here, so here is now 0. 0 minus 1 cannot. We have to borrow 1 from here, but there's no 1 here. This is where we have 1. We borrow 1 from here. That one we borrowed is 2. Here becomes 2. We borrow 1 from the 2. What is left is 1. And here becomes 2. We borrow 1 from that 2. What is left here is now 1. And the 2 comes to this point. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. Remember, these were 2, 2 until we borrowed 1 from them. So what is left here is 1. And what is left here is 1. Nothing is left here because this is where we borrowed the original one from. So this minus this gives us 1111 in base 2. Now let's put this in this position. So we now have 1111 base 1111y, because this minus this y gives us 1111y equals to 1111. If we divide both sides by 1111, y is equals to 1. Therefore, the value of y to this question is 1. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching.